KLQDZMS Large Capacity High Quality Hard Trolley Luggage. Introducing the KLQDZMS High Quality Hard Trolley Luggage, perfect for family, couples, students, and travelers of all kinds. This durable suitcase, made with premium polycarbonate PC, ensures strength and longevity for all your trips. Available in sizes ranging from 20 to 234 and featuring 6 stunning colors: white, glacier blue, pink, red, olive green, and black. This luggage stands out with a sleek, modern design. It includes 360-degree spinner wheels for smooth movement, a sturdy drawbar for easy handling, and an integrated lock system for security. Whether you need a cabin case or a large travel companion, this unisex rolling luggage delivers unmatched convenience and style for any adventure. To make your shopping experience easier, we have added the necessary link in the comments and description. Check it out and order your favorite product today. Thank you.